Son of a
I've got to apologize. As soon as you start performing Tornado, you are going to be addicted to it. Tornado is deceptively simple. The cards, they do all the work for you, so there's no fidgeting or funny moves. The trick uses two cards, that's it, a 7 and a 4. You rip the 4 up and you give a corner to the spectator. They close it in their hand. Then you take the 7, you rip that up too, you put one corner in your hand, and then they change places. As of 1 month ago, both Justin, Flom, and I, we carry Tornado with us wherever we go. Tornado playing cards are made by the USPCC, the United States Playing Card Company. That is the same people that make bicycle cards. I am happy to tell you that refills are not expensive. We have kept this really inexpensive because we don't want to burn you. We want you performing this trick wherever you go.